Okay, we have a Matsuura 4-axis horizontal machining center model H plus 300. Machine was new in 2004, serial number 15857, and we're going to run her for you. It's a 300 millimeter pallet, or 11.81 by 11.81. Machine has up to 15,000 RPM. It's a really quiet machine. Have a little program here for you. You have 19.68 or 500 millimeter travel in the X, Y, and Z. Simulating a tool change. Machine has a 30 station ATC.
7,000.
That's 7,000 RPM. Again, this machine goes up to 15,000. Machine is a Cat 40 spindle taper. You have chip conveyor also, and a high pressure coolant through spindle coolant. And the control is a Matsuura G-Tech Fanuc 16 control with Fanuc servo motors for each axis and Fanuc rods. And we're going to do another tool change. The rotary table is a full 4th axis, again 0.001 index. And you have 2 pallets. Doing a pallet change. And that's it. Hey, thank you for watching our video.